Our strategy is simple. We buy it, fix it, and sell it. Now that strategy sounds easy, but it's really not. It takes a certain skill to know how to fix a building and extract the maximum value. We have teams of people that scour the country for deals and properties that we can buy at a significant discount to the replacement value. But the key thing is fixing the property right. So once we buy a property, we have expert architects and interior design firms we worked with for the last 25 years who are the very best in the country, who go in there and as a mission really renovate these buildings to such a high standard that they compete and dominate the marketplace.
For each investment, we focus on the value creation piece. Our strategy is to buy well-located properties that have a reason for underperformance. Then after we buy it, we go in and fix what needs to be fixed, whether it's increasing rents to market rents, an aggressive lease-up strategy for vacant space, strategic improvements to improve the property, or reducing large-ticket operating expenses. If we rewind to 2014, we have a great example of our ability to create value. We purchased a 268-unit apartment complex in Pensacola, Florida. Not only did we buy it for well under replacement costs, but we immediately identified areas that we can increase the net operating income. Specifically, we did an in-depth study of all market rents and saw that we could increase rents across the board on all unit types. We also saw that we could increase utility reimbursement income by billing their residents properly. Within 2 years, our team was able to increase the NOI over $650,000 or 54%. This increase in NOI led to an increase in value of over $12 million for our investors.
We like to think we provide operational expertise for our investors, having had years of experience in all ends of commercial real estate. Collectively, we have been involved in various projects totaling $3 billion as investors, operators, developers on both the institutional and retail sides. This provides a broad and thoughtful perspective in addressing challenges or pursuing opportunities.
So we basically buy buildings that are 50 to 60% occupied, and after we renovate them quickly and perfectly, we get them rented right away, and we increase the value, and then we ultimately sell the property to a long-term owner who will pay us our price and our profit. Throughout the last 25 years, we've purchased office buildings, apartment complexes, medical offices, retail centers, high-rise towers, and other similar structures, and we renovated all those. We've never had a loss after buying dozens of properties around the country. Our firm has produced solid gains that exceed anything we found in the industry, and we're always ranked in the top quartile of performance.
In 2014, we purchased a 95,000 square foot office building in Tampa, Florida. The building was just 50% leased and needed extensive building improvements and deferred maintenance repairs. Immediately following closing, our team went in with our expertise and focused on a value creation plan for the property. We did a modest amount of improvements and implemented an aggressive leasing strategy. Occupancy grew to 83%, which more than doubled the property's value over our original purchase price and in turn generating greater returns for investors. In less than 2 years, we were able to completely transform the property and its competitive position in the market.
The majority of the team started off on the institutional side of real estate investments. We grew up through this institutional framework and mindset, which translates to our thorough and disciplined underwriting and reporting to investors. For instance, we've been told by one of our sourcing channels our due diligence process is among the top 1% of the firms they work with.
Our investors continue to invest with our firm for 3 main reasons. First, they like the fact that they receive a 6% annual distribution day one on their investment. They love the steady income while watching their investment grow. Second, they value the fact that we are a co-investing partner. We have operational expertise to create exceptional value and greater risk-adjusted returns. And lastly, They have seen our business model proven out in our track record with the oversized returns we've generated. At the end of the year, they see our fund outperforming the rest of their portfolio. Our entire team shares a commitment to execute our investment strategy with one thing in mind, and that is to create an exceptional value for our investors.